This is something that Windows users should do at least once a year. Now, I'm releasing this video in Christmas week because obviously we've now got a lot of time on our hands where we're perhaps not working as much as we normally would do. It's time to rest, time to get those few little jobs done that we need doing, those little bits of housekeeping, and that's what I'm talking about. We need to ensure that we clean up our computer to make sure that it's running at its best. So what should we do first of all? Well, first off, the best thing to do is to go into our browser. So it doesn't matter what browser it is. I'm going to go into Google Chrome, but this can be any browser, I believe. You can hold down the Control key and then the Shift key. Those are keys on the left-hand side of the keyboard. Control is often marked as CTRL. The Shift key is usually above the Control key and it's often got an arrow pointing upwards on it. So hold those two down together and then press the Delete key. Now, the Delete key is usually on the right-hand side of the keyboard and it actually says delete, not backspace. This can be easily confused. So hold down Control, Shift, and then just tap delete. Bit like Control Alt delete. Okay, so what we want to do now is, now we've got this menu up, or a menu similar to this, is click on More, click on All Time, and then we want to take the ticks out of browsing history, cookies, download history, click on Show More, and take the ticks out of everything in there, but leave a tick in cached images and files, and then click Delete from this device. Another thing we could do whilst we're here is to go into our emails, and so I'm going to go into, say, Hotmail, which is my emails, and have a look through your emails, see if there's anything in there that you don't need, and then go to junk mail and perhaps empty out the junk mail. Have a look through it first of all, just to see if there's anything in there you really want to keep, but if not, click empty. Okay, and also it's a good idea to go into deleted items and empty that too. Obviously, just have a quick look through there and just make sure there's nothing in there that you want before you empty it. Okay, so there you go, just done that. So there we go. So I'm going to come out of this now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Start button, and then I'm going to click Settings. And then I'm going to click Apps, and then I'm going to click Installed Apps. And I'm going to go through this list, and if there's anything I don't use on here, then I can just click on the three horizontal dots to the right and click on Uninstall. Now, you might find that some things have the uninstall grayed out. Don't worry about that. Unfortunately, you won't be able to remove them, but so be it. Just uninstall the things that you don't use, and you can uninstall. Now, if you do see anything that says, say, for instance, Microsoft Visual C++, and you think, oh, I don't ever use that, then do not delete that. That is often used for other apps on your system. So anything you're not quite sure about, like Microsoft Visual C++, then, like I say, leave that. But if there's anything you know, yeah, I haven't used that for ages or never used that, then go ahead, click on the three dots, and then click on Uninstall to get rid of it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open your File Explorer, which is any yellow folder, and then click on Downloads on the left-hand side. Go through this folder here. I've not got many things in mind, but you've probably got lots of stuff that you've downloaded from the internet. And if you use webmail, loads of attachments that you've downloaded through webmail. Have a look through this list here and clean up anything that's in there. Click on the Start button, and then we're going to type disk space cleanup. And then we should see there disk cleanup. Click on Run as Administrator. Now, this bit might take a few minutes just as it's scanning through the system to see what files and folders it can clean up. And when this loads up, it's okay to go through and tick everything. Just go down the list and just keep ticking. And then once everything's ticked, click on OK. And then you'll get this message, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Well, all these files are just temporary files. They're not files that you need to keep. So, yep, it's OK to click Delete Files. And again, this bit might take a bit of time just while it's cleaning up. Once the box has disappeared, then it means it's done. It's done its cleaning. But what we can do is we can go back into it. So click on the start button, type disk space cleanup, and then click on run as administrator underneath disk cleanup. Let this run through and then click more options. And then here under system restore and shadow copies, click cleanup. And this will clean up all your restore points on your computer. So click on delete. It'll leave the most latest version of the restore point, but that will clean you a bit of space. And hopefully this should make your computer run better and faster. And when we click on OK here, it will say, do you want to permanently delete these files? Well, it's OK to click delete again, and that will just run through the cleanup process once more. Or if you don't want to wait for it, click on cancel. But hopefully the second time this runs through, it should be a lot quicker than the first. There we go. As you can see, it's zipped through. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon: Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes, and VPNs. Buying, subscribing and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X. I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website. It's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and speak to you again soon.